Several months ago, I took some cuttings from a lot of the trees around the place, the mango, persimmons and others. So I think it's time we went off and had a bit of a look at them, see how they're going, see if any are still alive. Let's go. Looks like the raspberries are coming along nicely. There's a couple in there. We have a few more over here. This is interesting. We've got mulberries growing on our mulberry cuttings. This may not be a good sign because we've got a bit of green growth on them, but unfortunately not a huge amount of root growth. Our mango cuttings are growing, leaves anyway, but again, not too much growing in the root. Well, we'll keep them in there and see how we go. This, I've actually forgotten what it is. I think it's plum tree, but it seems to be budding up, but not ready yet. Some more mulberries growing in soil. If we look there, we've got a nice sort of growth growing. Down here, we have our Midyim berries. If we zoom in a bit closer, we can see very mixed results, I think. Some of them, like this one, is looking decidedly dead. But if we look at these others that have been here for about 3 months, this one is actually not looking too bad. It actually seems to be growing, as does this one. It's got some very nice growth on it. Another dead one. So I think we'll have some that grow and some that don't. Unfortunately, I believe our Atherton raspberries have not grown. They look very dead, but we'll leave them in for a little bit longer. This is a pecan, I believe, and lovely new growth coming out on that. We might have had some success there, but again, not a huge amount of root growth. Persimmons, not a lot happening, but could be that these buds are coming good. If we have a look, the buds might be actually coming good there. We should know in a few days if they burst into greenery. Well, you win some and you lose some. Few are alive, a few are dead. Anyway, we'll keep trying with the cutting and see how we go. Catch you in the garden.